you, we can do some stretching exercise. Okay. All sit and do. No need to mute your audio. No need to stand up. Sanahin, let him stand there. No problem. Let your sibling to stand there. No problem. Okay. If he can understand, he can learn. Let him stand there. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Stretch your hand as much as possible. See, move your fingers. Fingers. Hands up. Fingers. Fingers. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands up. Okay. Hands down. Down. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Okay. So if I say 1, you have to clap 2. If I say 2, you have to clap 1. Okay? If I say 1, you have to clap 2. When I told you to 2, you have to clap. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, no clap. Okay, so, okay, are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Very good.
I am
Very
very, very happy.
Okay, very good. Okay, by seeing your lovely smiling face, we also are getting some energy. Okay, mute your audio. Varada, Arfan, John, mute your audio fast. Viraj, dear, mute it. And somebody, and we are mute your audio. Okay, mute it and make your position. So here, we can start our today's class. In the last class, we have discussed about some diseases that do not spread. Diseases that are formed due to the deficiency of some vitamins and minerals in our body. And some diseases that are formed due to the failure, non-functioning of some of internal organs, such as kidney, heart, liver, these sorts. And some other diseases, allergies. These all diseases are not spread through the germ. That is why it is not a spreading, they are not a spreading disease. So we can revise that through the pictures.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, that class ma'am told in the next class ma'am will show night blindness a picture.
See, night blindness, we don't have the picture because night blindness is something we can't see during the night time. The person won't be able to see it. That disease is called night blindness. But scurvy, then pellagra, these all I can show you because they are affecting our parts of our body, right? See, night blindness means they will completely lose their vision. Gradually, they will lose their vision. Okay, so that is the condition of night blindness. Here, in the last class, we discussed. Can you see a board there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So diseases name and how these diseases are formed. Why these diseases are formed. Cause of it. Right? Leah. Everybody mute your audio except Leah. Leah, read the name of the disease?
Night blindness.
Okay, night blindness is caused due to the lack of, if in our body there is, which vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Vitamin A, vitamin A. Okay, so this
Yes.
due to the deficiency of vitamin A, the night blindness can form. Next one, I will ask you, Henry, read it. Henry, read it. Second one. Scurvy.
Scurvy.
Scurvy. Scurvy. Okay. Okay. What is the reason for scurvy?
Vitamin C.
Okay. If vitamin C is not sufficient in our body,
Due to
deficiency of vitamin C. Eva Rose, unmute. Read
Yes.
the third one. Third one.
Beriberi and pellagra.
Pellagra. Very, very, and
Pellagra.
pellagra. This is due to the lack of which vitamin?
Ma'am, here network
Vitamin D.
issues are there.
Okay. So next one. Varada.
Ma'am, I have network issue.
Okay, 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 okay. So Bharata.
Ma'am, I have network issues.
Okay.
Anemia.
Got class.
Okay.
Anemia and goiter.
Anemia. Say I am
Anemia.
Varada, not to Adi. Okay. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of which disease? Which vitamin?
Iron.
Iron. Iron is a mineral. Next one. Nihal. Unmute it. Nihal. Unmute. Okay. Read it. The last name. Goiter. Goiter is formed due to the deficiency of iodine, the mineral called iodine in our body. So these all vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, iodine. These all
Iodine means salt.
that I will explain. Okay, that I will. Iodine is not mean by salt. Iodine. Mute your audio. Henry,
Yes.
Rohit. See, I told in the beginning itself, mute it. And it is becoming so much disturbance. Here, let me see. Adide, mute your audio. Those are not muting. How can I give them chance if they are not obeying me? Adide, Vesnayer, mute your audio. Mute your audio fast. So this iodine, right? Iodine is a mineral that we get out from our food substance. This iodine is rich in fish. Then some other pulses, some type of pulses and all. This iodine is rich with it, right? So if we consume these all food items, the iodine will, our body will get iodine. If iodine is there in our body, thyroid gland can work properly. So there won't be any chance of forming goiter. But see, iodine is that much important mineral. So this iodine, Ameya, mute your audio. This iodine we are mixing, not we, the salt makers are mixing the iodine with salt because so iodine is so much important. Due to using this iodine, thyroid gland can function properly. So we need iodine in our body. We are putting salt in every food substances, food items. Am I right? We are putting salt in every food item. So if salt is mixed with iodine, the iodine also will get into the food items. Am I right? So that we won't miss iodine. If we are reluctant to eat any of the food items that contain iodine, that can be done with by putting salt. Salt we are using in every food items. Can you tell me any food items without using this salt. Every
Salad?
curries. Salad is also we are using.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ice cream.
ice creams, okay. Ice cream. Are we eating ice cream regularly?
No.
Ah, so once in a time.
The
Once in a while,
second
right?
we have
Cough and fever.
Okay, okay. So, but okay. Listen, curries we are using. We want curries every day, right? So,
Yes.
Yes.
mute your audio.
We need some.
Ayel and Adinath, mute your audio. Prajwal also, everybody. Everybody. So, if you are curries, we are using it, right? Yeah, without
Yes.
salt, we can't make any curry. So, if we eat that curries, we will surely get the iodine. Understood? That is why we have to use iodized salt. Salt which is mixed with iodine. That is called iodized salt. Okay. So, we won't miss any iodine. If we are missing any of the food items that contain iodine, then also we won't miss it. Because every in the curries, this iodine is there. Every day we will get some quantity of iodine in our food. So these all are the diseases that we discussed. And how can we prevent these diseases? How can we prevent the non-spreading diseases? Non-spreading diseases. Spreading disease, 1 minute. Spreading disease, we know airborne disease, how can we prevent? How can we prevent waterborne disease? But through contact and through insects, how can we prevent that all diseases? We
Ma'am,
know
can you tell the question again?
yes, surely. Here we have to check how can we prevent the diseases that do not spread. Prevent the diseases, prevention of diseases that do not spread. Like this curving, night blindness, like these all diseases. How can we prevent it? Raise your hand. Don't unmute. Without my permission, don't unmute. Varada, mute it and raise your hand. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Okay, Prajwal, unmute it, Prajwal, and tell me.
Eat vegetables.
Okay, eat vegetable. If you eat vegetables, everything will solve. Only vegetables.
Vitamin.
Only
No,
vegetables.
vitamins, vegetables, and leafy vegetables like spinach and all.
Spinach, like spinach. If we eat spinach, everything we will get. Okay, we should keep a balanced diet.
Carrot.
We should keep
Carrot
a
for
balanced diet. In the balanced diet, everything is included. Vegetables, pulses, fruits, dry fruits, then grains. Everything is included in a balanced diet. Did you hear about balanced diet? Diet which contain all the nutrients in it, right? So in the same way, we have to keep a balanced diet. Don't stick to any particular food items. Then, otherwise you will miss the other. If you are sticking to meat products only, you may miss the.
Ma'am, wash your hands often.
Sorry.
Wash your hands often.
Often, okay, that is there that we can do. This here,
Get
Muhammad,
vaccinated.
Muhammad Amin, sit quietly. So these all we have to check it. And another one, exercise regularly. You have to exercise regularly. Okay, John Samuel, switch on the video. Are you doing exercises? Esther,
Breathing exercise.
2 days before some videos were uploaded in the class group, right? So to make you fit, to stay you fit, you have to follow that. 30 minutes only are there. In that first some warming up exercise,
Don't share
stretching exercise,
personal items.
then cooling down exercise. Okay, Leia.
And don't share personal items.
Okay, that is there. That is
And
not spreading disease.
travel wisely.
We can prevent spreading disease by not sharing personal items. That is there.
Ma'am,
Here we
travel
are
wisely.
discussing about. Here we are discussing about how can we prevent diseases that do not spread through this one balanced diet, through doing regular exercise, and one more thing, if any of the family members are affected by some diabetics, cancer, or some these type of diseases, you have to make a regular checkup. Rohit, mute your audio. You have to keep a, I will also mute it, to keep a regular checkup and to use medicines according to the prescription of the doctors. Don't miss that all. You have to keep a regular checkup. Okay. So through these all methods, we can prevent diseases that do not spread. And one more thing is there. See, nowadays, this COVID-19, it is spreading like anything. All over the world, it is there, right? It is affecting lots and lots of people.
Ma'am,
Yes,
sometimes corona will be affect us also.
sometimes.
COVID will affect us.
Anybody, it can happen to anybody.
It's only day.
I'll please mute your audio. Adinath, mute it. Without my permission, don't unmute. Okay, Laya, please wait. Here, this COVID-19 is a disease that's spreading all over the world. Loads and loads of people are affected by this, right? And this spreads very quickly, very difficult to control. Now also, researchers are going on to find out some vaccine, effective vaccine. Some countries are claiming that they already found out
Some vaccine are testing.
vaccines are testing, but we have to wait for the result. So these diseases cause a great loss of human life. Such diseases are called epidemics. Such diseases are called epidemics. Okay, epidemics means, say, like plague. So many years before, one disease called plague. It was spreading like anything, like same like in the corona, like COVID. That was spread through the rats. If you are asking to your grandparents, they may tell you. So many years back, one plague that was spread by rats, that is from rats. So, due to plague, so many people died at that time. So that is also an epidemic. Okay, that is also an epidemic. In the same way, this COVID is an epidemic. But let me ask, is the diabetes is an epidemic?
No.
No. So you understood the difference between an epidemic and a disease, right?
Yes.
Epidemics mean, see, I can see lots. So you have to want to say something, but please wait. After finishing this, I will give time. Okay, keep your hands down. When I ask, you can raise it. So during this epidemic, what is the difference between disease and epidemic? Epidemic is a dangerous disease that will spread all over the world. That can spread all over the world quickly, and it affects a lot of people at the same time. And these diseases cause great loss of human life. Means so many people are dying because of this disease. So like these diseases are called epidemics. Okay, epidemic. I will write the new word here. You have to write down. Take your rough book. and write today's new word. Can you see a whiteboard? Can you see a whiteboard?
Yes. Yes.
Here, Arfan, please read the spelling of this word.
E P I D E N I C.
Okay, epidemics. Epidemics means diseases that, epidemics are diseases that affect a lot of people at the same time. And it spreads very quickly and it is difficult to control. It spreads very quickly and it is difficult to control. Not only that, these diseases can cause great loss of human life. Due to this disease, lot of people will die. Now also in India, in this Italy, in all over the world, you can see lot of people died because of this corona, COVID-19, right? So it is an epidemic. Epidemic. Okay. So already we had completed this topic. Almost all things we had discussed in this chapter. Today I will send, I think yesterday I had sent some notes, right?
Yes.
In the next class also, you have Arfan, mute your audio. In the next class, you have to keep your workbook with you. Some question answers we will discuss in the class and we will do. I am not sending that question answer. Okay. So we can do together during the class time. Okay. So now, Parvati, do you want to say something, Parvati?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Mute your audio then. Mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Rohit, what you want to say?
Ma'am, H1N1 virus is
H1, that is also
Ma'am.
a spreading disease. Okay, H1N1. And Laya, Rohit, mute your audio. Laya,
Mother.
Laya,
Yes.
yes, what you
My-
want to tell?
My grandmother took a corona test because she's going to Dubai soon.
She wants to go to Dubai. Okay.
And
So it tested negative, right? It tested negative, right?
I don't know because we don't know the answer.
Okay. You are expecting for the result. Okay. Mute your audio. Ameya, what you want to tell first? Do you want to tell me anything? Ameya.
The ma'am, in lots of days, long years before, H1N1 was there.
H1N1 virus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next, mute your audio and some other one. Anybody wants to share some views?
TB1 virus is there. TB.
Sorry, ML?
TB virus is there.
EB.
No, TB.
TB. Okay, that is tuberculosis.
Ma'am.
Tuberculosis. That is a type of disease. It is not an epidemic disease. Okay, that is a spreading disease.
Many years before Ebola was there.
Ebola was there. That is also an epidemic. Okay, plague, yellow fever, malaria, SARS, Ebola,
Cholera.
virus,
Cholera.
virus.
Cholera.
Cholera is not a epidemic. Okay, smallpox. These all are some of the examples of epidemic. So you have to take your workbook now. Take your workbook fast. Everybody take your workbook. So I think all of you have completed the questions up to 18. In between, I told 14th question we will discuss it in the class. Am I right? Yes. So 12th and 13th, I gave it by writing. Hmm? Here, next class, also you have to keep your workbook. There we will discuss 3 question answer. Now, we can discuss today the multiple choice question. Hmm? So, let me call this one. Abel, please read first question. First, read the page number. First, read the page number so that the others can see. Abel,
Yes, ma'am.
page number.
16.
Okay, page number. Everybody note down page number 16. First question, read it.
What is the best way to keep our body free from disease?
Diseases. Okay, which is the answer?
By keeping the disease causing germs away from our
Our
body.
body. Prevention, right? Answer is B. See, I think it is now the time to wind up my class. Next day, you have to keep your EVS workbook with you.
Can
Okay?
I say something, ma'am?
Yes, tell it fast.
Yesterday, when you sent the notes, you told 14th question we will discuss in the class.
Next class. Today we don't have that much time. Okay. That is why I told next class. Okay. So bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.